Hey guys, it's Brian from JP Cycles. Today I have the Leo Vinci LV1 Evo exhaust in titanium. This only took about 15-20 minutes to install with a few hand tools, and I'll tell you what, it really improves the look of the bike, gives you that great sound that you want, and you lose a little bit of weight. This should be one of the first things you do when you get your new sport bike. So let's check it out, see how this thing sounds, and let's fire this bike up. So there you have it. The Leo Vinci slip-on pipe gives you a lot more bark, a lot more attitude, and definitely more style than your stock exhaust. We have these available right now at jpcycles.com. Make sure to check them out, and thanks for watching.